going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in and happy Wednesday. Today is October 28th, and on this post, we're going to be talking about compound token COMPUSD. This will be a follow-up post from yesterday, October 27th, and if I'm currently bullish, bearish, and what my short-term price prediction is, according to what I'm seeing in the charts. Before we begin today, please do read my disclaimer below, as I am not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I cannot tell you the future, and if you're simply looking for someone to tell you the future, I am not your guy, and please skip. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions for us who want to get better in technical analysis, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market. Now, if you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link below. They're still giving away 3 free stocks upon successful sign-up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive bonus stocks upon successful sign-up. Now, if you guys are watching this on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe, as I will keep you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list. Now, let's begin. Recall from yesterday, we have talked about comp token actually breaking above the daily 21 moving average, which is the blue line right here, which we have not been able to do since the downtrend, since the sell-off back in September. Okay, as you guys can see, except for the fact that we have actually broke below the daily 21 moving average, the blue line, we have not even been able to close above it. So a close above this blue line right here yesterday was significant in the first step of actually reversing against this downtrend. Now, if you take a look and zoom in into the 12-hour charts, you can also see that we have not even been able to close above the white line since we broke below it. Now, this is a 12-hour 50 moving average, and so we have actually had broken above this white line right here about 12 hours ago, and then some more after the retest, okay? And now we're retesting it again because we hit some resistance that I will show you just right now, but we are currently trying to hold above this moving average right here, which is very significant as well. Now, let's take a look at the 4-hour charts. Now, I mentioned this yesterday, which is also the immediate resistance from the price action we were having yesterday, which is the orange line right here, the 4-hour 200 moving average. We have not been able to get a solid close above it, and we have now gotten rejected and being supported by some of the moving averages at about this level, about 107, 110, which includes the 4-hour moving average, 21 moving average, the daily 21 moving average, and the 12-hour 50 moving average. Now, the daily and the 12, those are going to be very important to me for the reasons I just mentioned. So breaking and closing below those 2 moving averages should set off some kind of alarm in my head that this may not be reversing, but keeping the price action above the daily 21 and the 12-hour 50 would still be confirmation to me that this may be reversing, okay? If they start closing below those 2 moving averages, I should be very careful, and this trend reversal may not be happening yet, okay? So now if we actually get above this 4-hour 200 moving average, as I have mentioned yesterday, the next resistance levels would be about 127, 128, which is 6-hour 200 moving average right here, and the daily 50, which is currently about 128 as well. So there is still some room to run, but please do be mindful of the scenarios I have just mentioned, because you have to take both scenarios into consideration when you have a position, because that would let me know that if I should stay in this position or if I should exit. Now, none of these should be absolute answers, because the scenarios that I have mentioned and just my way of evaluating the market is, which scenarios are more probable. I like talking in terms of probabilities, in terms of success. If my bullish case scenario happens, my probability of success increases for upward price action. And in my mind, if my bearish case scenario happens, the probability of downward price action increases. So that is something I want to keep in mind and I want to share. If you guys have any opinions of your own, please do share it with me as well, as I am still learning and trying to get better in technical analysis. Now, I have also mentioned yesterday that there are some other factors that could be in play which can affect altcoin price action, including COMPUSD, and that is the Bitcoin price action, because we're still trending up for Bitcoin dominance. And when Bitcoin dominance is trending up, Bitcoin is in the driver's seat of the market, in my opinion. Now, if you guys do want me to make a video on me explaining why Bitcoin dominance is important and how that relates to both the Bitcoin and altcoin markets, do comment in the comment section below, and I will make a post if I see enough requests on why I think Bitcoin dominance is important and how that affects the markets. Now, going back to what I said about how Bitcoin can affect the market, if you guys can actually switch over to the Bitcoin chart, you guys can see that we have actually dropped from 13.8K to almost as low as 13.1K today. So that drop will pull altcoins down with it because Bitcoin dominance is trending up. So that is something to be watching out for, because any pullbacks on Bitcoin can definitely ruin a lot of the altcoin setups. I don't want to say definitely, okay? I want to say, just probably, most probably, that it will ruin altcoin setups because of Bitcoin dominance is trending up. Now, that is my hypothesis. If you guys have any opinions, do let me know. If you guys found this video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up. Let me know your feedback, agreements, disagreements. I would love to hear it. I will see you guys next time.